I'm gonna try to make some progress, try and bring back some of the shine to this. It's got a little oxidization, so it's a little not as bright and shiny. The side still has some shine to it, but this is the biggest one. You can see, maybe just barely, you can see where it's still pretty shiny here, but right about here is where the transition zone is. It's just not as shiny. For this project, I'm going to use this buffer. Supposedly the best one on the market is a DeWalt. I have a lot of DeWalt tools, but I do not have a DeWalt buffer. But I bought this one. Let's give this one a try. This one I like because it has the ability to dial whatever speed I want to buff at. 3500, 600. 600 low end, 3500 high. The other things I'm going to be using, 100% wool buffing pad. Meguiar's dual action polisher and cleaner, number 83. I've seen a lot of people use the all-in-one, but I couldn't find the all-in-one, so we're going to use this one instead. Microfiber towels, big box of them. I'm going to use one of these, go back through and wipe up the excess as I go. A little bit of simple spray bottle with water. What a difference that made. See where I stopped. From this side is polished and this side is not. So I finally got a nice, clean, smooth, shiny surface again. A lot of surface to go though. I had to stop because of the rain, but you can see where I've waxed and where I have not waxed. How the water's beading. This is where I stopped because of the rain. See where the wax job stopped and I never got up into this area. Well, this is looking pretty good. So between spits of rain yesterday, I finally finished waxing the front end. Looks pretty good. That's after a night of rain. It's nice and shiny, smooth again. That worked pretty good. For this project, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so whenever I can in the video description, I want to try and put links to the products I'm using so that you can see what it looks like. Now, do your own diligence. Don't necessarily have to buy from Amazon. You can get better deals than other places sometimes. But some cases, you'll do a lot of traveling to try and find those products, and it might just be easier to just click the link and buy it from Amazon. The advantage is to me, however, if you buy from Amazon, I'll make a 1 to 4% commission on every purchase you make for a 24-hour window if you click on the link to Amazon from the description that I've created. And I'll make 1 to 4% commission on it. Which means if it's a 1% commission item, I get 20 cents for every $20 you spend on Amazon. But if it's a 4% commission, then I'll make a whopping 80 cents for every $20 you spend on Amazon. Now, if you buy from Amazon by using that link, it doesn't increase the cost to you. There's nothing to worry about for you. But I'll make a little bit of change for every purchase you make on Amazon. So help me out here. If you find my video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Just do something. And additionally, if you have anything that you would like to know more about, put it in the comment section. Maybe I'll be able to get on there and give you an update on whatever it is you're looking for additional information on.